Hey guys, welcome back to another video up on my channel. If you guys are seeing this, that means that I either got a new memory card that worked, or the 1 terabyte SD card worked in my camera. But in today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about something very, very important to me and my girlfriend. We had gotten a new car. We still have the same plates, meaning the van that we had when I was doing like Uber, or not Uber, but DoorDash, are still the same. They transferred over to the new car. We have a 2020 Hyundai 4-door vehicle now. Now, I'm not going to show you guys what it looks like, even though this would probably be going up probably long before or long after we move out of town, which I'm completely fine with, because I still have a little over 75 hours left on my hard drive, or left on the SD card that I'm using right now. And all that I know is that it's going to take me a long time to, one, fill it up, and number two, it's going to take even longer to render all of the videos that I will have to deal with when I do get to that point. Now, I'm probably going to show you guys the car when we move, but I'm not going to say exactly where we will be moving to later down the road, because I would like to keep my privacy. I would like to keep my privacy as far as like not letting people know on where we live. My girlfriend and I and her friend, that is if we decide to move all three of us together to another state. I'm pretty sure I made a video about that, but eventually when I do decide to reveal on which city that we will be moving to, which will probably be later down the road, will probably be revealed later down the road, like I said, but I still don't want to say exactly on where we're leaving, because I really don't know where we're actually be moving to yet, because it keeps changing. But the third time is still the same state, which I'm completely fine with, which my girlfriend is completely fine with. The first state that we talked about, I'm pretty sure that I did make a video about that. We decided not to move to that one particular state anymore for personal reasons. But anyway, I'm getting off topic. But the main reason why we switched vehicles was because my girlfriend only paid, I think it was $3,000. It was either $3,000 or $5,000 for a 1998, I don't know, it was before the year 2000, minivan. We used it for DoorDash when we both quit our jobs. We shared it, and then issues started showing up that needed to be fixed, that needed to be replaced. We replaced everything, and then it started to get worse and worse and worse. Like, why is this leaking now? Why is that leaking now? We took it in, they didn't know what it was. And then the check engine light keeps popping on and off. And then they finally came out and said, hey, it could be this. You only have a certain amount of time before it completely dies out on you. Which I'm completely fine with. But they also said it could happen tomorrow, it could happen next week, it could happen at any point. So we saved up. Mainly my girlfriend saved up. And we decided to go to the Ford dealership in the town that I live in right now and looked at a few cars. First time around, she didn't like the car because she didn't know how to drive stick. She wanted me to show her how to drive stick. Well, guess what? It's starting to become more cold out, which means that it's fall, and then fall is going to turn into winter, which I don't feel like showing someone on how to drive a stick in the winter months. I could probably do it, but I would feel safer to do it during the summer months when there isn't snow or ice or anything else to deal with that during the winter months. So we took a pass on that, went on Facebook Marketplace to look at other cars that we could potentially buy. All of them were great, but we didn't know if there was any issues. Meaning, I don't know if there was like a leak somewhere. I don't know if there was other general issues that they weren't saying in their description for that particular vehicle. So we went again to the Ford dealership and they showed us a vehicle that they knew for sure that we were going to get approved for, and we did. I'm probably going to show the vehicle because I need to make content for my channel. I would like to fill up my hard drive before I dump it all on YouTube and waste even more time uploading videos to YouTube because I need to. But that would probably be later down the road. I don't know when, but it will be. But that will be later down the road. That being said, I will be starting to use a new car for DoorDash, obviously, because there won't be that many issues with it. And it's better on gas. And then I will also be using it for Uber. Now, I went into the Uber app to request a ride, and it tried charging my card. Now, I don't know if that means that there is somebody in town that is doing Uber, or if someone from Point will come to Rapids, pick me up from work or my home, and take me to home or wherever I need to go. I don't know. I guess I need to do more research about it and see what will happen. I don't know how Uber technically works. I don't know if I will get paid more if I do Uber or not. I guess I just need to wait and see what will happen. But hopefully this works out. There's only one more thing that I need to do for Uber to get everything all good to go for my Uber driver thing, which might have to wait until next week when I get the registration, because I need to get the registration in order to get everything set up for Uber. But with that being said, hopefully you guys are happy for us. We did finance it, fortunately, so with that being said, I'm gonna leave the video at that. If you guys are new, subscribe to my channel. If you guys want to see more updates like this in the future, make sure to hit that bell notification so you guys never miss a upload video just like this in the future, and leave a thumbs up or a like on this video. It helps me out quite a bit. And if you guys want to leave a comment in the comment section below, you guys are more than welcome to. But I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully you guys are having a pretty good day, as I am. I mean, it's not really a brand new car for me, but it's like a few weeks, like 2 weeks old, I think, or a week old, I don't know at this point. But I just figured out to make a video about it and such, so. And who knows, you guys might see me in a Uber sometime later down the road, but who knows. But I'm just rambling on and on and on. But I will definitely talk to you guys in the next video. Have a good one, guys, and bye.